Downloaded an 8BF plugin for Photoshop and not sure how to get it working? This is a filter plugin that adds new creative effects to your editing toolkit. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through installing and using these Photoshop plugin files properly. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premiere 8BF file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. 8BF files are plugin files for Adobe Photoshop and compatible image editors that add new filters, effects, and image processing capabilities to the application. They provide additional creative tools such as noise reduction, sharpening artistic effects, distortions, and specialized image processing functions beyond Photoshop's built-in filter set. 8BF plugin files are compiled. Windows DLL binaries implementing the Adobe Photoshop Plugin API with specific entry point functions for filter parameter dialogs, image data processing, and about box display. They use the 8BF extension to identify themselves as Photoshop-compatible filter plugins to the host application's plugin loader. The initial software setup links the 8BF file directly to Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows treats plugins as ordinary files, but their real function depends on the host program. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the 8BF file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. When your 8BF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, installing in Photoshop. Copy the 8BF file to the Photoshop Plugins folder at Program Files I Adobe Photoshop Plugins. On Windows or Applications, Adobe Photoshop Plugins on macOS. Restart Photoshop and the new filter appears under the Filter menu, organized by the plugins category name. Some plugins include an installer that handles placement automatically. Next, using the filter. Open an image in Photoshop and select the installed filter from the Filter menu. The plugin displays its parameter dialog where you adjust effect settings with a preview window showing real-time results. Click OK to apply the filter to the current layer or selection. Use Filter, then Last Filter to reapply with the same settings. Finally, compatibility with other editors. Many image editors support 8BF Photoshop plugins including GIMP with PSPI plugin, Affinity Photo Paint Shop Pro, and Paint.net with plugin support. Copy the 8BF file to the host application's plugin directory and restart. Check the editor's documentation for 8BF plugin compatibility details and any required configuration steps. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.